welcome to What Karen Loves. So today I'm going to be doing beauty must-haves. Now this includes most of my favorites, and I think it could be some products that you should include in your beauty supplies and products, because these are most of my favorites and most recently favorites and some of the things I've always used. So welcome. Hope you guys are having a great day. So let's get started. So first and foremost, we got this little beauty blender. Now I got this in the Walmart beauty box, and I thought it was so cute because I have the OG looking egg thing, and this is like a little duck. That's what I'm gonna call it. It looks like a duck. It just looks cute, and I like it. And it's so much easier to apply to your face than this thing. I just like this one so much better. Obviously this would probably be a lot easier to replace than this. Probably is a little bit more expensive probably. I don't know, I really like this one. So they are a little bit dirty, so this one is definitely. So they definitely need to be washed. So let's continue on, shall we? I got a little bit of makeup, I got a little bit of hair products, I got it all. So sit down and enjoy. Let's continue on, shall we? And of course I had to include hair products, so you guys know. Well, most of you guys might know if you read What Karen Loves. I have lots of hair problems with my hair. It's so sensitive. It's dry, it's damaged. I've gotten hair dyed so many times over the years. So this is a new product that I've gotten recently, and it's probably been about a few months now since I've had it. And I love it. The smell, it makes your hair so smooth. It's amazing. You gotta apply it after shampoo, obviously. It's just so amazing. I love it. I will link all these products down below. I'll make a list so that way I can put it down in the description below, so you can check it out as well. And of course I gotta include, sorry if I go out of the frame, I'm trying to put stuff on the floor. Next one I had a Glam Glow. Obviously I love Glam Glow. Obviously this is the lip scrub, and it's so cute. It's a frizzy lip. I've used this for a while now. I think it makes your lips so smooth, and it smells so good. It feels so good on your lips too. Alright, of course another hair product. We got the Protect and Detangler leave-in conditioner, and this is a beauty protector, and it's so cute. I can't remember where. I think I got it in like a beauty box, and I loved it. I haven't found a big one yet, and I'll leave it down below if I find it. I think it's so cute, and I love the smell. I love how it feels on your hair. Anything that makes my hair feel good is amazing in my book. Another hair product, you guys might have seen me mention them in a few beauty blogs a lot. Probably products in general that I love or want. And this has to be the hair mask. I got two of these. This is the hair mask, and of course this is the damage repair. I have another one, and I didn't really like that one, but I really love this one. The other one just made my hair so weird. I don't know, but I like this one. I'm thinking about getting the hair color one that helps your hair color. So I think about doing that one because I'm always getting my hair dyed every so often. Ooh. Sorry, knocking things over here. Don't you hear me? Anyways, foundation. Of course, I had to include that. This one's been a favorite for mine for a while now. I need to get a new foundation, obviously. But this one matches my face. I'm wearing it today, as you can tell. I don't do my neck because it gets really irritated when I do that. So my skin's so sensitive. So I just do it on my face. Obviously, you can probably tell the difference in my skins, but it is Simply Ageless 3-in-1 liquid foundation, and it's so cute. It's in 240. It's a natural binge, so it's really cute. I really like it. I think it's the most affordable one for me anyways, and it's lasted for a while now, and I definitely need a new one, a new kind. I definitely have some favorites, but I'm so scared to try new different things because my skin is so sensitive. Alright, face primer. Elf. This has definitely been one of my favorites. I've used it for a while now. I think it should be must have because it makes your face feel good before makeup, and it just, I like it. Alright. Now, you guys want to see this in a beauty blog. If you check out the blog, this has been in popularly featured Sephora products are, you know, just Tarte or like Ulta. I don't always say like that. Ulta. There we go. But this cute little highlighter, I like it. It's so cute. It's so cute. I think it's called the Diamond Highlighter. I can't remember the name on top of mine. But, I mean, I love it. Let's see if I can do a finger swap for you guys. I mean, look how pretty that is. I have it on today. I mean, look at that. It's so pretty. It's shiny. I have it right here. I have it right here. I have it in the crest of my eyes. I don't know. I just always apply it anywhere I can to make my face looking even more cute. Alright. Glam Glow. I have a lot of Glam Glow products. Literally so many. We're going to talk about them all together. Okay. Alright. First and foremost, Glam Glow Super Cleans. This one's an all-time favorite. I need to get some. I'm almost out. I love it. It makes your face so clean. I just love the feeling of your face because mine is so sensitive to anything new, and I love that Glam Glow has helped my face. So Glam Glow Power Mud, I definitely need to get this one. It's a Dow Cleans treatment. It's almost out too, and it's so amazing. It smells so good, you guys, and it makes your face so clean. It's hard to find things for me that makes my skin clean and not sensitive and just red everywhere. Glam Glow Super Med clearing treatment is a different one. I love it. I'm surprised I haven't emptied all of these yet, but I'm almost there. I think I got the big, well, not this one, but most of these came in a big box of, these two did, came in a big Glam Glow box. I need to get some more of them, but they're so cute. And I love Glam Glow. It's always definitely one of my favorite products. So that definitely should be a must in your skincare routine. Glam Glow. I mean, come on. Glam Glow is so good for your skin. Well, at least mine anyway. Can't say for anyone else because I don't know. Everyone's skin's different. I know how it is. Trust me. Alright. Speaking of skin, I gotta do, let's see if I can pronounce this. Baking soda. This is actually a recent new. I think I got it in a beauty box for Walmart a few months ago, and if I don't drop it, and I love it. Yours actually been one of my most favorite products for skincare. That and this one's also another favorite of mine, because as I said, my skin's sensitive, and this is definitely one of the things that's really good for my skin, and helps some of my breakouts, and mostly if it doesn't, I usually do a face mask during the week and use these. Yeah, I definitely have another beer. It's not the same one, but skincare routines. Definitely one of my favorites. I keep it in there. Speaking of mascara, let's do some mascara, shall we? This one's definitely must milk. I mean, come on. I got this from Influencer for a free review and like stuff like that. That's what I usually do. Is Influencer. I get to check some of the products out and review it, and this is definitely, you probably see it on my eyes right now. I love it. It makes your eyes pop and your eyelashes grow and look almost majestic. I think I really like it. It's Kush mascara. They came out with a new one. I definitely might have to check it out. I can't remember what it's called, but anyways, but they did come out with a new one, so y'all should go check it out. I'll leave a link down below. Alright. Moody Sisters. Now, I've heard about them so many times on social media, Facebook, Instagram, you name it. I ordered the sample pack of their skincare and their lotion, their Purifying Mint Facial Scrub, their charcoal mask. I had to read that. And the moisturizer. I love these all. They're so good. I love how they feel on your face. Especially the moisturizer is definitely one of my favorites right now. And it smells so good. I have oily skin most of the time, and it's definitely so good. I love it. I love it. Okay. I'm trying to put everything on the floor. I'm trying to like put everything over here so I don't have to throw everything over there. Alright. Another e.l.f. product. I love e.l.f. Okay, most of the products are most of the things I could afford. So welcome. I definitely have some favorites that are most expensive products, which I haven't got yet. Just many like Ulta or like Sephora products that I can't afford to get, but I'm hoping to get them for Christmas. Fingers crossed. But this is the daily hydration moisturizer. I use it most of the time when I'm before I do makeup or before I wake up or something, when I have really dry or like dry skin. Speaking of dry, sensitive, and just crappy skin, we're gonna go with say yes to Calm and Smooth for sensitive skin. This is a definitely must. If you have sensitive skin, oily skin, this is definitely a must, because right here, as you might see, I have dry skin. I need to do more of this. I haven't done it yet in the last couple weeks. But this is definitely must if you have dry skin up here. I have it right here, mostly in my nose on the side. So definitely this should be in your like must have for products, because it helps sensitive skin so much. And it smells good. Another hair product, of course, I have to go with this little guy. This came in a beauty box from Walmart. I'll leave a link for Walmart down below for the beauty box. It's not sponsored. I pay for that. It's like only $5 a month. It's definitely a must to do, because you get to try products for only so much. And you do like a little survey for like, you do a survey, you fill it out. And they send you every season, I believe it is. I think it's summer. I can't remember. I think it's winter. It's like when they do the seasons. I just found that summer's box not too long ago, and this was in it, and I love it. It smells so good. I definitely would suggest you getting it, because I love it. It's called yeah, we'll just do like a little close up. I cannot pronounce that name, but I'll leave a link down below to the products that I suggested down below. If I can remember, it'll be down below. Alright, now makeup wipes, if I don't drop it. Now I know most people use the most expensive things. My skin's sensitive, okay? I tried one new makeup wipe, I think a few months ago, because I wanted to try something different, and my skin, oh my gosh, it kept breaking out. It was so sensitive. So try to find things that works for your skin and keep with it. This is Pink Gray Babe, and it's oil-free cleansing towelettes, and of course this is from Walmart. I think you might get it anywhere. I'm not too sure, but this little guy is where I got it though, so it's cute and it lasts for a while. Alright, now makeup. Now I got a lot of makeup palettes, most of them cheap. Let's be real. We got a little black beauty box book. This one's been my favorite for a while now, as you could probably see. And this little guy. I don't know if you guys can get these, because I got them in a military shop. My husband's a part of the military, so we go to the remix every so often, and this is where I got it. It's cute. I got a blue one like it. And I have a few like e.l.f. like products, and like Amazon box too, palettes. I definitely want some of the new products I've seen, like Jacqueline's palette. I love that one. I want to get that one eventually. I have so many palette favorites. I just haven't got them yet, because obviously I can't afford so much money in makeup. So I just do it every so often when I want to like. I mostly spend money on skincare. Like skincare is a must for me. So I just do skincare shopping most of the time. But eventually I like to get more makeup. So definitely my most favorite is using hair products and makeup products, and of course beauty. I love skincare products like masks and like it's just everything that makes your skin feel so good. I love that. So with that being said, that's all I have for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. You can check out the latest video, which would be the trailer. That's the only video I have. Then you can also subscribe, and you can also check out all the stuff down below and read the blog if you haven't already. There should be a new blog by the time this video is up, where I talk about home decor, some ideas from Forever 21. So go check it down below. And also check out all the social media down below as always. And hope you guys have a great day. And that's all, folks. Wait. That's not the right outro. That's all, XOXO, you guys. That's the fabulous outro of my blogs for the last, I don't even know how long it's been now, but it seems like it's been a while. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and like I said, I will link some of the products down below. That way you can check out the products, and maybe you can get them and have them for your beauty must-haves, because this is not beauty must-haves, and I definitely need to go shopping for some more products, so that way I can have some of the things I've always wanted, must-haves, favorites that you've probably seen in the blog. So go check them out. And sorry, I hate the lamp over here. But anyways, that's all. Have you guys okay? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day. That's all. Bye.